How to archive Instagram chat without deleting. So if you want to archive an Instagram chat, maybe just to hide it from the DMs feed and then not let the normal people see it. Now this is actually quite a basic feature on all the social messaging apps like Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, but unfortunately Instagram doesn't make it easier for us. But there is still a way to hide it. Now for that you simply have to go within that chat and there tap on the chat name at the very top. Once done, you can go to the option called Privacy and Safety. Once you go to Privacy and Safety, what you can do to hide this chat is to simply restrict that person. What happens is that when you restrict that person will be hidden from your chat feed. You can see that person is not here in my chat feed. But then, if you want to find that chat, what you can do is manually go to the request section, and then from there you will see under hidden request you will see people who you've restricted. Now this will not block that person, they can still send you messages and it will also hide it from the general audience. And if you want to get it back or talk to that person anytime, you can unrestrict it again. I know it's a bit of a hassle, but so far this is the best that we can do and the best that Instagram has to offer. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.